Hello friends, welcome to Maths Tactics. I am Devan Sharma. Today we're going to learn an interesting trick which would help us find the cube roots of perfect cubes in just a few seconds. So before we learn this trick, we'll recap some of the characteristics of cubes. We all know that 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64 and so on. But right now, we'll focus on the units digit of these cubes. So the units digit of the cube of 1 is 1, of that of 2 is 8, of that of 3 is 7 and so on. Let us collectively write all of this. If the units digit of the original number is 0, then the units digit of the cube would be 0 as well. If the original number's units digit is 1, it would be 1. If it's 2, it would be 8. If it's 3, it would be 7. If it's 4, it would be 4. If it's 5, it would be 5, and so on. Keep this in mind and you'll ace the trick. Now that we know some of its characteristics, we'll be able to solve all of these cube roots in just 2 steps. Our first step would be to look at the units digit of the number. If the units digit of the cube is 2, then the units digit of the original number would be 8. Moving on to a next step, we would ignore the last 3 digits and focus on the rest of the number. We need to find the closest cube which is less than this number. So the closest cube that is less than 110 is 64, which is the cube of 4. So the cube root of 110592 is 48. It's that simple. Moving on to a next example, we'll follow the same steps. Our first step would be to look at the units digit. If 3 is the units digit of the cube, then the units digit of the original number would be 7. Next, ignoring the last 3 digits and focusing on the rest of the number, we need to find the closest cube that is less than 658. This cube is 512, which is the cube of 8. So our answer is 87. For our last example, we'll follow the same steps again. Looking at 4, which is the units digit of the cube, we can tell that the units digit of the original number would be 4. Now, ignoring the last 3 digits and focusing on the first 4, we need to find the closest cube that is less than 1481. This cube is 1331, which is the cube of 11. So our answer is 114. Now the more cubes you remember, the easier this trick becomes. Now that you know this trick, use it to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. I hope you loved this video. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for upcoming tricks and upcoming videos. Thank you.